Hello everyone, this is Stephen Smith with MarineMax and Stuart, coming to you today with a very nice, clean piece of used inventory that we just took in on trade. This is a 2023 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk with extremely low hours. This is a one-owner boat that only has about 65 hours on the engine. It's extremely well equipped. To do a quick walkthrough with you guys and show you, it has the optional forward cushion package with the full lounger. You've got cup holders built into the bow cushion. Underneath of the cushion, you've got an anchor locker up front, as well as a fish box beneath this cushion here. You see you have removable backrest to turn this into a full sun lounge, and it does have the optional trolling motor plate. As we make our way back, you'll see the nice upgraded Yeti cooler with cushion and backrest there. The owner also had optioned a removable trolling seat up front so that you could use for fishing. That stores in the console. You'll see this has the fiberglass T-top option, which is nice, additional shade during those hot Florida summer days. As we move to the dash here, you'll see we have the Simrad display. We have the JL audio system here with speakers, Bluetooth connectivity. Your Mercury displays are here. All your live wells and lighting switches are all right here with a nice dash and a place forward to store some stuff while you're underway. We've got some storage for life jackets underneath of the T-top as well. Digital throttle control. This boat does have the upgraded 200 horsepower Mercury V6 engine with digital controls, and we also added the VHF radio. In the head compartment right here, you'll see this is a great storage area. That trolling seat we talked about is there, and the space for your trolling motor batteries if applicable. This boat does have the low rail package, so it has the low profile rails, very easy for boarding, getting in and out, and fishing. This is also the upgraded premium leaning post. These are drop-down bolsters so that you can raise yourself up when underway. You also have a built-in live well here at the back of the leaning post. This can double as a cooler. This is an insulated compartment that drains overboard. Some tackle storage for knives and scissors and other rigging equipment. You have more rod holders on the back of the leaning post and on the back of the hardtop. So this is a very fishable boat, but also great for the sandbar too. You have two flip-up rear seats here that face forward, and they flip down to make it easy to board the boat in and out. There's also a 4-step boarding ladder there on the swim platform to get back in from the sandbar on those nice hangout days. As mentioned, all powered by the 200 horsepower V6. This is an extremely clean, very barely used trade-in that we have here at MarineMax and Stuart. My name is Stephen Smith. Come see us today.